brown onions. About to pull them up out of the foam boxes to see how many. First box. One box done. Box number 2. These will probably end up getting pickled. I planned them too late. Small. Still doing the second box. Going into the cardboard box. Box number 3. Hunter River brown onions. Nearly finished. Down to the dregs. 3 foam boxes. Now they have to sit out for a couple of days to cure. 3 foam boxes of Hunter River brown onions. Planted them a bit too late, so they'll be perfect for pickling. Brown onions from the tractor tyre. Just pulled it all up. They'll be pickled. Going to be busy pickling.